Looking for the best smart glasses of 2025? With so many options out there, it can be tough to figure out which one's really right for you. But what if the right pair could completely change your life? How could wearing technology on your face make your daily routine easier? In this video, we're diving into the top smart glasses of 2025 and helping you figure out which one's the best fit for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Rayneo Air 2S AR XR. Is the TCL Rayneo Air 2S really the future of smart glasses, or just another portable screen? With USB-C and DisplayPort support, it works with almost any device, giving you a personal cinema experience. But does it truly stand out? The image quality is sharp, and the colors are vibrant. It's a solid, budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable display. However, the built-in speakers are just okay, and the lack of adjustable diopters could be a downside for glasses wearers. You'll need to use prescription lens inserts, which can be a bit of a hassle. Compared to competitors like the Viture Pro XR, which offers focus dials and dimmable lenses, the Air 2S keeps things simple but affordable. If you don't need prescription lenses, it's a fun way to game or watch movies on the go. So what do you think? Does the Air 2S live up to the hype? Number 4. Ray-Ban Meta. Imagine this. You're wearing glasses, but not just any glasses. You're controlling the digital world. Ray-Ban and Meta have teamed up to create the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, blending classic style with cutting-edge tech to make every moment smarter. These glasses come with high-definition cameras, so you can easily capture photos and videos without lifting a finger. With the open-ear audio system, enjoy music, make calls, or hear notifications, all without blocking out your surroundings. Thanks to Meta AI, you can also do real-time translations, set reminders, and get instant information about the world around you, all just by speaking. Lightweight, stylish, and packed with features, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are your new must-have gadget. Number 3. Rokid Max AR. Imagine a pair of glasses, but not just any glasses. A tech marvel that transforms into your own private giant cinema screen. Meet the Rokid Max AR glasses, a lightweight and stylish way to take your entertainment anywhere. But are these glasses perfect? Yes and no. They offer an incredible portable screen experience, but they're not without flaws. The design is sleek and modern, but there's one issue. You might feel some heat on the nose bridge. It won't burn you, but after a while, it can get a bit uncomfortable. When it comes to visuals, it's comparable to a mid-range projector. With max brightness, you get vibrant colors, but in dark scenes, some details get lost. For the best experience, consider using the optional lens cover or watching in a dimly lit room. If you've ever wanted to carry your own personal IMAX screen in your pocket, Rokid Max will get you excited. But is it flawless? Not quite. Still, it's a great option for on-the-go movie lovers. Number 2. XReal One. The XReal One is one of the most advanced smart glasses I've tested. It's got a built-in visual interface, which means you don't need any additional devices to activate all its features. You get a cinema-quality virtual screen experience, and the screen stays perfectly stable, even when you move your head. The display is wide, sharp, and super clear, while the speakers deliver solid sound, making for an all-around incredible experience. What's really cool is the mixed reality features. It takes interacting with digital content to a whole new level, making everything feel way more immersive and engaging. If you're nearsighted and prefer a brighter image, the Viture Pro could be a great choice for you. But when it comes to the XReal One, its wider field of view and superior mixed reality capabilities really make it stand out, and that's why it won the Editor's Choice Award. With all these features, it's not just smart glasses, it's more like a whole new way to experience the digital world around you. If you're looking for top-tier performance and an immersive experience, the XReal One is definitely worth checking out. Number 1. Viture Pro XR. If you're looking for an advanced screen experience but don't want to break the bank like with the Apple Vision Pro, the Viture Pro XR glasses are exactly what you need. These glasses offer high resolution and clarity, all while being budget-friendly and bringing you into a new world of technology. Even though the price is lower, the image quality is seriously improved. These glasses give you that big screen feel you're looking for, and with the focus dials, You won't need to spend extra on lens inserts. You can wear them for hours comfortably and enjoy a seamless experience. Of course, they're not as feature-packed as the Apple Vision Pro, but when it comes to price-to-performance ratio, these glasses really shine. They're 7 times more affordable and still deliver an experience that will surprise you. If all you want is that big screen feel, the Viture Pro XR glasses are exactly what you're looking for. They're hands down some of the best glasses we've tested, and they've earned our Editor's Choice Award, a perfect choice for both work and play.